be this one now?
This one, 400.
400K.
So,
Why you can't beat them now? This goat now, if we be like how much?
130.
Okay. No, I don't go see.
You go flow.
Okay.
Before you plan on coming to this market, you have to have a rain boots, especially during the rainy season. I decided to come and visit the ram and goat market in Warri Sapele Road in Delta State and see what the price is like. Right now, we are going to be checking the current prices of the ram before we go to the goat section. The ram sellers were very friendly as I told them that I came to do some videos and to find out the current prices of this particular ram.
How much be this one now?
This one, 400.
400K.
This one, 290.
This one 400.
This one, 290.
290,000.
That be just like 160.
This one 160.
This one.
Do one.
This one,
The ram no they don't, you know they bite. This one big oh.
This one not looking.
It makes sense.
Get it.
Why you can't beat them now?
Get them now. Do one. Oh,
This one why you beat now how much?
which one?
That one why you beat?
This one. This one at 320.
320. Okay.
So the price of the biggest ram I met here is 400,000 naira, and you can get the cheapest ram here like 150,000 naira to 160,000 naira for those of us who are trying or who wants to buy some ram in this particular market in Warri, Delta State. Normally, when you want to buy a ram, there are basic things that you need to consider: the size and the fatness of the ram, the weight, and also you need to consider whether it's male or female. These are the things that contributes to the current prices of the ram. And another thing is that you should know is the male ram are sweeter than the female ram, honestly, and more expensive. So now we move to the goat section.
Okay, this one also goods. Okay. This goat now, if we be like how much? This one's now the size is now Phoebe how much?
Which one?
This size is now. For the ram, abi?
No, not the one. Not different.
Okay.
The guy yellow small.
Okay. This one's big oh. Like this one now, how much be this one?
I think it's a 280.
Okay.
170.
170,000. Okay.
This one. So check any you like buy. If you go to the ram, check. 130.
Okay.
This goat 120.
Okay. This goat big oh. Now man or woman be this?
No, this one a woman. This one This one 180.
Ram or goat?
No, na goat.
Big oh.
Man.
Okay.
Man. This one woman.
Okay. Wow.
As of 2017 in the north, I bought a full goat for 15,000 naira. So most of the problem that people are encountering right now is transportation, and that is why most of these goats are very expensive.
So what do they eat now? Feed or? Okay, that's their food.
They look at like the same. That be
Okay. This one be like wheat. This is Abi.
Wheat with nabi biso.
Okay. Now here they sell cow too.
Yes, now they say cow inside.
So after checking for the current prices of the ram and the goat, I decided to have a feel and the taste of the spicy suya meat that I saw nearby where they were roasting it. And it's ram meat. It's a very spicy delicacy. So you can see that all these people are working together. If you need ram suya, you will get it here. If you need clean ram and goat meat, you will get it here. They will clean it for you and they will do everything for you. The only thing that you need to come here is with your money. Just come here and you are going to get a feel of anything that you actually need in this particular market. I know that things are very, very expensive, but people that also want to do for parties or you want to dry meat and keep in your house and you want to, do some kind of things with the meat, you can come here and purchase your meat. And also, if you want to run some errands, you don't have time, you can send me a message so that I can do the errand for you. You don't need to worry yourself.
Which one don't it? Ram. You get POS for here. You get got to be this Sabina Aram. See what they say, you don't even know it's in there. Okay. You don't even give me testing. You want chop?
An kashe gwanga miki maganan gaskiya. Huh?
You know, say na she a lady there.
Lily.
Don't finish, thank you.
You go pay. You go pay money.
5,000.
No, 25,000.
Only. Now this I go come and buy the main ram now.
I bring a piece.
I go buy the main ram.
Give me 10,000 pesos.
For the ram, I go buy big one now. I go buy the main ram.
Hey.
No, I don't go sit. Let me say everything done close today. Say much you done. How much you gonna pay me today?
Now you go pay money.
If I can't pay, come advertise your business for you. You say my pay again. Later now. Thank you. Okay.
And we have up to like 3 other markets that are into this ram and goat meat and even cow. So I think next time we are going to be visiting the cow market to know the current prices of cow in this Delta State Warri section, Warri City. And if you enjoy watching my video, please make sure that you are subscribing to this channel. It's a baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat. This is the channel that is going to be giving you the good market videos. You're going to be seeing good market videos to know the current prices of market and to be coming with your money and know how much that you should be coming to the market with. Make sure that you are subscribing.